Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Huzaifa and I am from the Department of Basic Chemistry and my ID is 007. So this is the course for having titled Joining Data in Python. Let's have a look on the contents of the presentation. Different types of joins, right join, left join, advanced merging, semi-join, anti-join, and at last ordered merging. Merge ordered and merge as of. So with moving towards the data merging basics inner join, it will abstract the data that is present in both tables. So we have two tables, taxi owners and taxi vehicle tables. So if we want to inner join or to retrieve data that is present in both the tables, we will simply use inner join. So we will use taxi owners dot merge taxi vehicle and on which column? A VID column. So we will print the taxi on vehicle column. So the column or the tabular form shows the inner join. So merging table with other joins, it will left join. So it will return rows from left table and only those rows from right table which are similar to left table. So again, we have two tables, Toy Story and tagline table. So if we want to have left join, we will simply use merge. We will use dot merge tagline on ID column and how left join. It will return the data that will match the left table and from the right table. Next one is the right join. Right join will return rows from right table and from left table that are similar to right table. Again, we will use dot merge statement, and we have two columns: action movies and scientific movies. We will join them according to right join to in order to get the rows that are similar to right one. Self-join. In this type of join, you merge or join one table to itself. Merging a table to itself can be useful when you want to compare values in a column to other values in the same column. So here is a column, here is a table crews, and we want to merge crews itself. We will use crews dot merge with the crews on ID column with the inner join, and we will add suffixes accordingly. Semi-join, it will return rows according to condition. So if we want a semi-join, we will use dot merge geners on GID. It will join the table. It will join the two tables on GID column and according to our conditions. Antigen, it will return results that are not present in table according to the condition. So we will use the antigen in order to get uh, the result that is not present in the table accordingly. So concatenation basics. Basically, concatenation is the joining or merging of different tables having the same data type. We will use pd.concat, and we will join the track master, track rider, track the tag string, and we will sort is equals to true, and this will join through tables: track master, track right, and track static. Merging orders, merge order, use this for order result. So we will use merge order statement to merge the two tables, inflation and unemployment on date and with the inner join. Merge as of. The merge as of function can be used to create data sets where you have a table of start and stop dates and you want to use them to create a flag in another table. So we will use the dot merge as of statement to GDP recession on date in order to create a flag in another table. Dot query used for selecting a statement inside query syntax. Here, a recent GDP population is a table in which we will use the dot query to return the date that are greater than or equals to the given date. So this is the statement of accomplishment on completing the joining data with pandas. Thank you.